Nani kakke. Hamburger, yeah. Jack chicken na hoga. Red Star, hey Pioche. So early vibes, you see me? Everybody it's about 10:30 in the morning. We just go through, you don't know, say, in the street with the Tokyo this time. And we are, I'm just show them the. Alright, so as usual, Jamaica is always have people. Hi friend. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. And then we're just,
You get tacos.
and jerk. My peeps. And Jamaican food. Lentil stew, with corned beef, Ethiopian food. Alright, so it's a cultural moment. And we have the Jamaican, the jerk pork burrito, Julius place, Afghanistan. They're selling wine. Okay. It's summertime to have a party. Getting back shots and we come from Tivoli. The shot of the gun is a shot of the rum, and the girls by the pool just wanna have fun. It's summertime to have a party. Getting back shots and we come from Tivoli. The shot of the gun is a shot of the rum, and the girls by the pool just wanna have.
Yeah, I got that summertime fever, 95 outside, poolside, the procedure. Yes.
Chicken ready? Chicken alright?
Only rice and beef.
Yeah, rice and we got chicken. Yeah, rice and beef. Need some jerk chicken.
Fun time again. Solar panel power thing. Rasta Liberty. Yardie, big up. Nice products here, naturally made by hers truly. Is big up yourself. We got the cutest little things in there. Ready? Oh my god, that's so cute.
cause some of them are really bad.
That's so cute. This baby's so cute. Oh. So people are coming in now slowly but surely. It's a huge ass venue.
It's too big, dancing at two different class. Like two big. Make you feel like we fly like. Just a good touch at you. Get up on the bars and mother would die. Just a good touch at you. Make you feel like we fly. Just a good touch at you. Boy, I'm the boy, funny can't just the right spot. They make you feel like livestock. In my arms, so my healing is me. You move me like an epilepsy. I slip a man a slide, man a jump, a man a run. Your body ready, you want some girl that will be if you wonder if I had this in your heart. Make you just up on a man, this is ready again.
I'm here with Miss Waterhouse. Is this Waterhouse from Jamaica or I don't know where this Waterhouse from? Jamaica. Miss Waterhouse! Bad people! Our beer things! Peerland! Juiceland! Big up! Put it by YouTube! Put it by YouTube! Yeah, Miss Waterhouse, so do you work in Japan or you just came here just for
No, just came for the presentation.
Oh, you're money tall, son! Oh, God, you're money tall. So, what are you doing now with your life? What are you doing?
Oh, well, I go to school, UE, studying entertainment and culture.
Big up UE! At my school at Pelicans for Life!
You're a mess! It's a hot mess! Yeah, but I'm studying entertainment and cultural enterprise management.
Culture. So please, guys, if you want to study entertainment and culture, go to the University of West Indies Mona campus called Jamaica Run Things. And we're at the One Love Jamaica Festival.
PigglesDiGaijin.
Jamaican YouTuber.
First time I saw you, girl, what's your remedy? Don't go down on me if the storm comes today. Yeah, could never wash your love away. My dears, you be my baby. I was lost until you saved me. Till you rose, I'm gonna save me. The youngest later, I'm gonna murder them. Sent to come from the bush bungalow. Roach it like a clear Junior Marley.
Day 2 at the festival. This is one of the best jerk Jamaican food. There's actually a Jamaican man running it, isn't me? And this is my friend's first time ever on the vlog. She's from Australia, but she's not Australian, or I don't know. Yeah, she's mixed. It's a half. And you know, it's early and she's dancing. Okay. Alright. Mad. Everybody just enjoy themselves. We're gonna get some food. Which one do you want? Display. Nani, what do you want? Alright, so jerk chicken and festival. Alright, jerk chicken festival. One, yeah.
700.
So it knows this is chicken. So they're one of the best jerk chicken at the festival, see? Jerk. Big up.
Okay, which one should I have?
You like spicy food? Oh, so this is spicy and that's ketchup. So they were cook the festival over there, so it's a festival of cook. Well, a round festival, dumpling that, or nothing.
That's what I should do. We know the sun is hot, you wanna get your beautiful tan.
さあもう時間たっぷりあります。まずはこのコースでバッチリ右左ゆっくり。さあ楽しんでいきましょう。レゲエミュージック。
So no warm wine, no? After kind of.
To my heart, I know your boss and gun, you are mine, done. In all my times of tribulation, you I could rely on, yeah. I tell you some heart's in you, me dead, if you're like a half this road, no, I'm gonna help I row across this whole silver lining of my life, but just the darkest.
This song is for all the members of all the friends that we all
Shikisha, big up. So go ahead and answer that. Hello. Go ahead and answer. Hey, go shop it. Right? I A Josu there, dance wall. Hey, Nandaro! Wow! Hello? Hello, Sugoi! Kawaii! Kawaii! Yeah! Yo, that's the sunset right now in Odaiba, Tokyo. Big up Conman TV, I'm Big Boss. Hello. Jamaican, don't it? You're Jamaican, right? Yeah, man, I know, because you have the requisite. See, you know what I mean? The Jamaican, you know matter about it.
YouTube? Oh, I see it.
Look for that, she's Jamaican, look for that, my friend. Yardie, for sure, I swear. Hello. These are Andrew's friends. And they don't speak any Jamaican at all.
But we can understand you. I can understand you, but I can't speak it.
But you're Jamaican, right? She knows. Where you from?
No, I'm not. I'm Jamaican by blood, but not raised.
Sexy, why not? Give me the gravity, you know me spicy. Give me the gravity, you give me life. Give me the gravity, you know the mind. Nobody right in my time. What baby? Looking to go, nobody clean, you know. Walk you, she marry. Oh, she a water. Lift your back, baby. Back it up for the dandy journey long. Your body right in, body right in, body right in, body right in. Tell her hit me like
Japanese Bob Marley.
Thank you.
Big up yourself. Japanese Bob Marley.
PigglesDiGaijin,
I'm here with the
Jamaican
beautiful Arisa Nana say. Please check out our channel down below, or down below, right? This below, or up there side. I don't know where it's gonna be. It's gonna be somewhere. Yeah, she does videos about stuff, English learning in Japan. And you know, today I said, you know, maybe Arisa is in love with me, that's why she wanted a video. But apparently she has a boyfriend. And the interesting is her boyfriend is not Japanese.